Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Malik Farooq, lecturer zoology BHSS Lingate. The topic that I was dealing yesterday in yesterday's lecture, that was variations. The principal topic of it is principles of inheritance and variations. So we were dealing with the variations. We were dealing what are the factors as per nature of the cells, it affects as per the degree of difference produced. What are variations? How does it occur? What are the factors which are responsible? Where it goes? Somatic variations, environmental, nutrition, habitat, better conditions. And the point we left there was water. Plants found in water deficient soils show modifications to reduce the rate of transpiration. Plants found in the moist and the humid areas show luxuriant growth. The Heterophilus Rhamniculus equitus bears divided leaves under water and entire type of leaves above water. Look, this is one of the examples of variations. Plants found in the water. Deficient soil show modifications to reduce the rate of transpiration. वो plants जो हमें पानी में मिलते हैं उनके जो पत्ते होते हैं वो एक टाइप के होते हैं. जो प्लांट्स हमें रेत में मिलते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल फाइलोक्लेड ऑफ ओपनशिया. जो प्लांट्स हमें सॉयल पे मिलते हैं, तो मुख्तलिफ जगहों पे मुख्तलिफ जो इनकी ट्रांसफरेशन, वाटर ट्रांसफरेशन है वो मुख्तलिफ है. दिस इज द वेरिएशन because they are adapted for such conditions. Plants found in water deficient soils show modification to reduce the rate of transpiration. Plants found in the moist and humid areas show luxuriant growth as compared those plants found in the moist, जहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत मॉइस्चर हो और ह्यूमिड एरियाज हो, वहाँ के जो प्लांट्स हैं दे शो luxuriant growth. The Heterophilus Rhamniculus equitales bears divided leaves under water and entire type of leaves above the water. This is one of the example of variation. Number second, इसके साथ use and disuse of organs. Constant and continuous use of organ makes it better developed. For example, a man of modern era takes soft cooked food which needs little mastication, leading to the weakening of teeth. ए मैन ऑफ जो भी ऑर्गन हम एक ह्यूमन बॉडी में ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करें उसमें ज़्यादा कवत भी आ जाती है, उसमें ज़्यादा सलाहियत होती है काम करने की एज़ कम्पेयर्ड टू द ऑर्गन विच वी यूज़ इन ए लेस मैनर, बहुत कम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो यूज़ एंड डिसयूज़ ऑफ ऑर्गन्स इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दिस वेरिएशन. Constant and continuous use of an organ makes it better developed. Second, persons use left hand since childhood for writing, write nicely. Persons using left hand since childhood for writing, write nicely. एक और एग्जाम्पल इसने दिए है, या ए मैन ऑफ मॉडर्न एरा टेक्स सॉफ्ट कुकड फूड विच नीड्स लिटिल मैस्टिकेशन लीड्स द वीकनिंग ऑफ द टीथ. अगर हम थोड़ा दबाव दांतों पे बढ़ाएंगे, थोड़ा मैस्टिकेशन करेंगे ज़्यादा, तो दांतों में कवत भी आ जाती है. आजकल के डेट में तो हम ये कुकर फूड खाते हैं और वो भी जिसको हम जंक फूड्स बोलते हैं, उनसे दांत भी ख़राब हो जाते हैं. और नंबर सेकंड, जो पुराने लोग थे उनके दांत, अगर हम पुरानी रेस की बात करेंगे, उनके दांत, उनके जो बाकी ऑर्गन्स थे, बाजू या टांगें, उनमें चलने फिरने की कवत भी ज़्यादा थी क्योंकि वो लोग ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज करते थे. Man doing daily exercise develops a stronger and more muscular body than one who does not take exercise regularly. Number third, एक और इसमें एग्जाम्पल है वेरिएशंस की, कॉन्शियस एफर्ट्स. सोमेटिक वेरिएशंस may also be caused due to conscious efforts of man. Somatic variations may also be caused due to conscious efforts of the man. For example, castration, damaging the testes, mutilation, cutting the organs as horns, small feet by wearing tight shoes, bored penny and nose to wear ornaments, and varied hair, beard and mustache styles. These are the conscious efforts. Somatic variations may also be caused due to consequences of man. For example, कैस्ट्रेशन यानी डैमेजिंग द टेस्टिस, उसमें से भी अगर कोई डैमेज टेस्टिस में हो जाए, कैस्ट्रेशन हो जाए या इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाए तो उससे एक वेरिएशन आ जाते हैं. मिसाल दूसरी बात है म्यूटिलेशन यानी कटिंग ऑफ ऑर्गन्स एज हॉर्न्स, स्मॉल फीट बाय वेयरिंग टाइट शूज, बोर्ड पिनी एंड नोज टू वेयर ऑर्नामेंट्स एंड वेरीड हेयर, beard and mustache styles. Lamarck was of opinion in 1724 to 1829 in his theory of evolution that acquired variations are inheritable, but Weizmann in 1834 to 1914 reported that acquired characters are not transmitted from parents to offspring, not inheritable. दो बायोलॉजिस्टों ने अपना अपना ओपिनियन दिया. लेमार्क ने कहा अपनी थ्योरी में कि जो इक्वेट वेरिएशंस हैं दे आर इनहेरिटेबल, यानी ये दे कैन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू नेक्स्ट. बट वाइजमैन was one of the scientists who said that acquired characters are not transmitted from parent to offspring, not inheritable. Not inheritable. Not inheritable. They are not transmitted from parents to offspring. That is why they are called non-inheritable. Weizmann said. Germinal variations. These variations are caused due to germ cells and thus inheritable. For example, hemophilia, blood groups, color blindness, bladness, eye color. Such variations may also appear due to following reasons: due to recombination and crossing over, modification in structure of chromosomes, due to change in chemical nature of genes, by polypedy, by radiations. There is second of the variations is, first of all हमने पढ़ा था somatic variations. अब उसके बाद germinal variations. These variations are caused due to germ cells and thus are inheritable. For example, hemophilia, blood groups, color blindness, bladness, eye color. Such variations may appear due to the following reasons: due to recombination and crossing over of genes, due to modification in structure of chromosomes, due to change in chemical nature of genes, by polyploidy, by radiations. As per the degree of difference, the variations are of the following types: number first, continuous variation, and number second, discontinuous variation. I think we will deal in the next lecture continuous and discontinuous variation.